Hello friends, welcome to CNN IBN Real Heroes. Heroes who are role models for us if we wish to follow them. They've done what we all desire to do. They are the change which Gandhiji said. Be the change you want to be. Here's a real life story, Ram Sanehi, a 6-year-old man whose age is not an issue. His one passion is not to let any Beria community woman stay back in prostitution. He rescues them, educates them, and gives them a whole new life.
Neha was forced into prostitution by her father at the age of 14. Neha managed to escape.
मेरा नाम नेहा है, मैं विद्या आश्रम में क्लास 10th में पढ़ती हूँ.
And the man who changed her life was this 70 years old Ram Sanehi. His gait slow, his face wrinkled, but these girls know that Baba will protect them, ironically from their own families. The Beria community, where daughters are destined by tradition to be prostitutes, where fathers and brothers become pimps.
मुझे बहुत ही बड़ा झटका लगा इस बात का कि हमारे समाज में जो है एक लड़की को रोजी रोटी का माध्यम मानते और उम्र का भी ध्यान नहीं रखते.
Sanehi was 10 when he was sent to his aunt's place in Meerut. Here he discovered that his 8-year-old cousin was the cheapest prostitute in the area.
अब मैं इस फिक्र में था कि इस लड़की को कैसे निकालूं, तो एक दिन मैंने मौका लग के और ऊपर से फांस दिया, भगा दिया. फिर मेरी धुनाई हुई अच्छी जम के.
In helping his little cousin escape the dark alleys of the red light area, Sanehi found his mission. By 15, he was working with the police in Meerut, tipping them off when and where to raid. No one was spared. Every brothel raided and many young lives saved.
मेरे अंदर तो एक जनून हो गया था. मुझे तो अब यही नहीं था कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. जैसे आदमी अपना होश-ओ-हवास खो देता है.
By his mid-20s, Sanehi was home in Morena, and for the next 4 decades, he made sure that the Beria tradition of prostitution was put to an end.
मैं तो ये कहता हूँ कि मेरा अगर जन्म हो फिर भी तो इस बेड़िया जाति में हो, जिससे जो रह गया फिर इसी को करूँ.
At his ashram, the morning prayers are for a better future. Aimed at rehabilitating children of Beria community, Sanehi managed to get this single-storied building from the state and started his Abhudya ashram in 2002. A residential primary and middle school, it gives education to girls free of cost. Books, uniform, all come from occasional funding. Currently, it is home to 223 students from across the country. For 8-year-old Pragya, it's not all work at the ashram. Apart from bullying Sanehi at times, she makes sure that her karate moves are just right. And ask him about why he's not married, and he has a simple answer.
मैं तो शादी करना भूल गया, तुम करोगी शादी?
But for now, these girls don't have studies on their mind. Instead, they are busy practicing for a cultural program in the ashram. And for Sanehi, it's a journey that may have started 50 years ago, but there are miles to go yet.